Yeah, I was out of time now.
Okay, outside. Okay. So, how do you feel? Starting with late evening is okay, or we have to start early is better? Which one is you feeling better?
Yeah, we can wait.
Late is better, huh? Okay. So,
Yeah, it is better.
okay. You're in India only, no? Or you're outside?
Yeah, I'm in India, NCR.
Okay. Because if we start late, then I am thinking that maybe we are spending time with family and that one, and starting late, maybe it's not that good. So,
Yeah, that point it's different, but some other session also done in midnight also, 10 p.m., 11 p.m.
uh,
As per my thinking.
okay. Okay, then we'll do it late only because late, uh, if you are comfortable and others also, they are saying 8:30 is better. So 8:30 or 9 o'clock we'll keep late evening only and after office.
Exactly. Yeah,
Office.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm thinking I raised a query for Tubesheet designing in Codecal.
Okay, you require this tube sheet designing in Codecal. That you just require a report, no, for that one.
Yeah, I required only report only for just a review.
For reference, you require that report, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay, I have some report, tube sheet report. So I will. I think I already messaged you. Okay, I will shout it out and
Yeah.
I will share to you then.
Okay, okay. We will sort it out.
Okay. Okay. Any other things you want to discuss, or any issues, or any queries you have?
This is only one issue because I have to redesign extension.
Uh-huh.
I have designed in full model, but I'm also designing Codecal, but same failure is coming in both reports.
Okay. So any one report also is okay to you, no? No, it's you require specifically for CodeCal, or it's in PvElite report also is okay to you, no?
No, no. Generally we do in PvElite, but that is okay. But I required Codecal because Codecal is separate calculation for two-state analysis.
Yeah. You separately you require in CodeCal. So in P, as you saying
Yeah,
that in
Codecal
PvElite,
for
yeah, as you saying that PvElite also
only
giving,
for uh,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah. As you saying that PvElite also giving same report result and CodeCal also giving same result, no?
Yeah, same result.
Yeah.
But I also required in only floating type because fixed type and U type is easy. That's why.
Okay, so you are looking floating type tube sheet calculation in CodeCal.
Uh,
Why
yeah.
you
And I have a general question.
okay? Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, I have to design. I have to check strength calculation of a two sheet. Yeah, it is a floating type heat exchanger, so I have to calculate the strength for separately floating two sheet and CSC two sheet one by one, or I can go with CSC two sheet.
It, can you please repeat once again?
I have to calculate strength calculation for two sheet. It
Okay.
is a bundle replacement.
Mm-hmm.
But can I go with only stationary two feet calculation, or I have to floating type also, floating two feet also in quartile separately?
Separate. I think Vinayak or RRR. Do you want to answer? Okay.
No, I am not sure about the question. I didn't hear that properly.
Yeah. So
My general question is, I'm saying I have to design a strength calculation for two feet. I have a bundle for replacement, and we got a thermal redesign it. So we have to submit thickness calculation for both two sheets. So it is mandatory to submit both tube sheets separately in Codecal. We do calculation and submit by one, or we can go with just tube sheet thickness calculation.
Okay.
I'm not sure about that.
Actually, you in Codecal while doing, if all the just I want to answer, means what I understand. If all the parameters are everything is same for one tube sheet, and if you are similar same things you are repeating for second one, then one calculation is enough and others is not. But as per client requirement, because each part they want to verify, so each part even it's repeated all the parameters, all the everything, then you have to same just change the this tube sheet 1 and tube sheet 2 like that numbers, and you can submit that also, you can do if everything is same.
But in Codecal, if we do for stationary tube sheet calculation, there is an option for channel. But for floating tube sheet, there is an option only for floating head. Nothing for like backing rig geometry. That's why my floating tube sheet is going to fail.
Okay. So if it is failing, and then because you have to verify the what's parameter due to what parameter it's failing. So the submission of two times the same two, I mean it's two tube sheets with the same parameters. It's not add any, I mean additional things, but clients normally require each part. That is because you have two questions here. One is you are failing, and second question is that you want to repeat the same procedure or same activity for the second tube sheet also. So
my calculation is failing, but I think it should not be failed because tube sheet thickness is too higher. Our stationary is already passed. But in floating tube sheet, there is no option for floating head geometry to enter is floating head geometry Codecal because it's only used for channel. So I think it's the will issue for floating tube sheet only.
yeah, but whatever the geometry you entered, which is available in Codecal, if that is if you sufficiently, if you means the whatever required the parameter, means maybe the thickness and that one, if it is higher than the what required, then it will pass. You have to select accordingly. You are thinking that it should not fail, but it's whatever the formulas, whatever they use as per code and that one, it's giving that results, because you cannot, you don't know inside what the means programmer has done the software inside.
Either this, but can we do manual calculation for tube sheet?
Yeah, manual calculation also.
If I go with manual calculation.
Yeah, manual calculation also you can go, but again, it's client should agree for that one, because your manual calculation, your
client is government, it will be agreed. There is no issue.
Okay, if client is agrees, then if client is agrees, then you can go with manual calculation, because manual calculation normally we use Excel and that one. In Excel and that one, there is even small linking, and that one is misses the complete calculation changes. So normally, means our client, they don't prefer for the manual or Excel calculation on that one.
Okay.
So you just check with your client. If he agrees, then give the manual calculation. That's also okay.
Okay. We will sort it out separately.
Okay. Any other points you want to discuss?
Yeah, for me, I have a current situation. So it's a U-stamp job.
Can you play, Mr. RR, can you please introduce yourself, because your issue you are facing?
Yeah, currently one job is going. It's a U-stamp job. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Is that UG44B is mandatory for U-stamp jobs?
Atul, do you want to answer? Atul.
Hello?
Yeah, Atul is on mute. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, Atul, you can.
Yeah.
As per my thinking, UG44 is mandatory for all vessel if it is a use stamp or not use stamp.
Okay. So while reading the codes and all before 2017 edition, it was not mandatory.
Yes, it's just I will add. In 2007, it's not mandatory, but now they made it's mandatory for use stamp and that one. So you have to
Okay.
take care of this one, UG44. And
Okay.
because use stamp means the calculation is reviewing by the third party and they require these all things.
All right. Another question is that if we are currently if we are currently into the 2023 edition, so can we go back and use 2017 edition? Will that AI third party will accept that thing?
Atul, do you want to answer? Okay.
Any
Actually,
idea?
yeah. Atul, you are answering?
Yes, sir. I just questioned this question to my AI, and he said that if PO placement is now current here, then we have to follow the register as for your some vessels.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I will add in this. As Atul said that if PO or your inspector is agrees that one, then you can follow the older version, because whenever they place the PO and that one, they specify which are the codes you have to use. Maybe they provided you the data sheet and that one, no? In data sheet or
Yeah,
in
right,
specification, they
No,
specify.
sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
But sir, if we have to submit replacement job, we have to also design latest code for current job. Because I have a job for use some job. It is designed by 2007 code. But we have to replace it and we redesign it in the current code and then submit to AI.
Okay, that's I am saying that if they agrees that one, if your AI and your PO to whom you received or your data sheet whom you received, if they agrees that one, then you can do with older version. But normally
And we
older,
can,
normally this is in their or in their specification use latest version of code like that. So if you want to go to 2017, there are some changes which occurred in recently in latest codes and that one. In that latest code, because AI and they are aware of the latest things, they are not aware of the older code what actually that's saying and that one. So better you you just get confirmation on this one. Can we go for older version like that? So if they confirm, then you can do that one. There's no issue, because it's finally the all code says that final confirmation from purchaser means who is purchasing your equipment. If they are ready with older version, then it's final it is.
Then it's fine. Okay, I understand. Okay, one more thing is that in the PvElite configuration window, there is an option called apply local loads at the flange.
Yeah. Your sound is breaking.
Yeah. Can you hear me right now?
Yeah. Now we can hear. Yeah.
Yeah, in the parameter window, PvElite parameter window, configuration window, there is one option: apply nozzle loads and local loads at the flange space.
Okay.
Is it mandatory to on that option?
It is mandatory if you are. Yeah, Atul, you want to answer?
Sir, is it a axle loader movement? Kya?
Sorry, I didn't get that.
This option is in Flange designing like a axle load, moment and force. Is it?
Yeah. The local loads are there.
In Flange design option.
Sorry, Adil, can you repeat?
In Flange design option, there is a option which you are saying that axle load like moment and force only. There is an option. Are you saying
for the division 2 calculation?
No, I am not getting.
Sorry, appendix 2 calculation.
Appendix 2 calculation. Yeah. In partition load, where partition load and
yeah.
No, it is not mandatory. it is mandatory for I&S type if external attachment is attached with your like channel. So then we have to use for cantilever effect, like hanging effect. So there must be only load will be applicable. And nowadays Flange is not accepting this as per my last 10 heat exchanger project.
Okay, 1 second. But you are telling in a perspective of heat exchangers, right? So, mine vessel is a pressure vessel, normal horizontal vessel. Okay, we are using standard flanges of 2 inches and of size, and in the nozzle input window, we usually apply 107 and WRC 107 and 297, right?
Okay.
So it will calculate the local loads at the junction.
Yeah, you can continue.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So apart from that, there is another toggle button, a stick button is there in the another window of configuration.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So in that it is written that local loads at the end of the flange phase. So should we consider all the time yes or no? That's my question.
No, we did not use that option.
Okay.
Actually, I want to add something in this one. This flange phase when loads comes, no, because these loads when piping loads are come, so that directly affect that flange and that one. So if you are using the standard flanges and that, then there is no nothing. It's not required. If you are using non-standard and then these loads you have to verify whether these piping loads can whether it withstand or not. Or normally when we use this one, when we are going for derating of the flanges and that one, on that time we'll use this one. When U-stamp vessels are there and we are looking for the derating, I think you know this derating and that one, no?
I know. That's why I asked UG44.
Yeah. So in this derating, that specifically that verifies the flange loads on that flanges and whether it will withstand or not, like that. So in that cases you have to use this one. Otherwise, it's not mandatory.
Okay. And adding on that, if we can apply loads on a standard flange, means using appendix 2 calculation, how we can apply loads on that flange?
Then separate plane and put load that type.
Sorry. I didn't hear you.
We have to perform separate calculation for only plane.
Only flange. Selecting a flange and clicking on the standard.
Yeah, so we have to calculate the Asian force and the Asian moment. There is only two options, force and moment.
Only one force and only one moment is there, right?
Resultant force and resultant moment.
Resultant force and resultant moment. Okay.
I want to add something.
All right.
Something in this one. You can also do by using this Codecal. Means separately this flange you can take in Codecal and you can apply for these loads and you can do like that. So.
Okay, fine.
Flange design related, I have a query also. I have to design a flange in Codecal or test ring type. So we have to select loose ring. So there is a 3 option available in Codecal: analyze, design, and partial. So which one we have to select? Partial, design, or analyze?
Can you repeat, because your background sound is very much, it's not clear. We are able to hear you.
It's audible now?
Yeah, it's audible, but background there is something shouting is going on. Yeah, you can. Can you please?
It's audible now?
Yeah, audible. Please.
My question is, I have to design testing in Codecal. So there is an option: analyze, design, and partial. So which one we have to select for design like a loose ring plane?
You have 3 options: design, analyze,
and partial.
Okay, I think. Okay, David, do you want to answer this question?
No, actually, I forgot. I'm doing a Codecal. I have to check again.
Okay, I will add in this. Actually, actually, it depends on the efficiency of means your client requirement. If client says that no, it's require full calculation, then you have to use that one. Otherwise, partial or because this partial or full or this one this required depending on the client requirement. So you have to check with their specification, and as they says that you record full analysis, then you have to perform that full analysis like that.
Because as per my experience, if we select design component, so Codecal will change all dimensions like DPT. It still calculates the minimum DPT requirement, minimum body requirement. If we input our geometry, it will deselect it and select as per itself. So that's why I think it should be analyze option always.
Yeah, they kept some of the default selections. So, but again, this depends on the client because we also done this one as a default selection, but then our client is commented that no, we want to analyze this by full using full one. So then again we change that to full like that.
Yeah, but as per ASME calculation, in hydrostatic condition we have not fulfilled the requirement of Flange rigidity.
In hydrotest condition, can you please repeat?
Flange rigidity is not required.
Yeah, flange rigidity not required. Yeah.
So then, if I ignore rigidity and there is an alarm if flange fail in internal pressure, so it will okay or not?
Flange fails, then again because this should not depends on the flange. No? So this. If it is not depend on that flange, then it's okay. If client says that
if my flange rigidity ratio is going 2.1, this is not less than 1, so it will okay or not?
If not going, then it's not okay, but you have to inform that because your specification of that one, it's not saying that it's considered for flange one. So you can pass, means you can clear this one like that.
Okay, got it.
I think okay. Any more?
No more. It is enough, I think.
Okay. I think David and RR also left. We don't know. That's we are thinking. Maybe if we come early, maybe more.
I will discuss one more thing. As a designer, which software we have to learn it. As per my thinking, HPRI, PvElite, and FEI. As per my experience, it is enough, or we have to learn more and more.
As a static equipment, you are a static equipment engineer, no?
What?
You are a static equipment engineer, no?
Yeah, static equipment, pressure vessel, heat exchanger, cooler designing and fabrication.
Yeah. For static equipment engineer, there is not required to learn HTRI. HTRI actually it is a process software, means in process software or chemical engineer software it is. In that one, you initially learn what is the inputs, means what is the number of tubes are required, what is the diameter of that heat exchanger is required. That calculation will be done in that HTRI. And it is thermal related activities also done in that HTRI. Ours is mainly we need to learn the PvElite one is that what we use for our software, and another one is for tank we have to learn that EME tank. EME tank in which we design for these tanks and the API 650, 620 tanks, and that we design in that one. And third one, if you
Third one which?
Yeah, third one, if you require some 3D models and that one, then you have to go for any 3D model software. All FE means ANSYS is required for us. Means wherever the ours nozzles or something if fails, then we need to learn this ANSYS software. These three software normally we require to learn. And with this PvElite also, this PvElite also connected with one more software called Nozzle Pro. So this PvElite, if you inbuilt want to learn something wherever your nozzle fails, that FE to be done by using this inbuilt software with PvElite. Means PvElite and Nozzle Pro, they both joined and venture is there. And whenever we may whatever
So we have to buy it separately, or it will come automatically?
No, we have to buy separately because the owner of this company, Nozzle Pro, is different, and owner of the this PvElite company is different.
Yeah, both are different.
Yeah, both are different. So we have to buy both.
Both are different.
Yeah, but both are supports each other. Means when your nozzle when fails in PvElite, you just need to select that analyze using Nozzle Pro. If you select that one, it automatically all the parameters from PvElite it takes and it's analyze your this nozzle in that one, failed nozzle in that one.
Okay. Because as per our engineering head team, they taught us HTRI and PvElite commonly. They said you have to do process and you have to do mechanical also. That's why HTRI we are learning. Almost we learned it.
Okay, means you are you have to do process activity also. Then HTRI is required. But in process there are many other software also comes like something Aspin and Aspin software.
I already said them where we are mechanical engineer, why they are involving us in thermal also.
So in process the means complete, if you are doing the P&ID, if you are doing the complete plant design, then you have to learn this Aspin, you have to learn HTRI, you have to learn some other software also to get means complete designing of plant.
And what E3D do?
Pardon?
What E3D do?
E3D. I didn't get you. Which you are asking?
There is a software called E3D, SP3D. What it will do?
E3D, we didn't use that one. We used 3D for 3D modeling, and that one, this SolidWorks we used. We used CAD, one another software we used, means Solid Edge and that one. Like that, 2-3 software we used that one, but not Inventor also we used for 3D modeling and that one.
Okay. And then PvElite and Nozzle Pro is enough for us.
Static equipment, Nozzle Pro, PvElite, and this one, ANSYS and EME tank. These 4.
EME tank. Okay.
Yeah, EME tank. For tank, did you done any tank design in that one?
No, I didn't take. No, I was in Peter Weather heat exchanger only.
Okay, your maximum with vessels and heat exchangers, right?
Right.
Okay. Did you done any columns, process columns in that one?
Column only designed with for estimation. We not designed for as a particular in-house project.
Okay.
Only for estimation. Because in our design department we have to estimate a column, the extras, but we did not do. We outsource that or submit another field to someone else's company, and they will do fabrication only.
Okay. So maximum your concentration is on heat exchanger, I think. Maximum you will do heat exchangers jobs.
Yeah, maximum is our target is heat exchanger and pressure vessel.
Okay. So then your maximum on the heat exchanger, then you have to learn this HTRI because you will get in the depth how this number of tubes are arrived or whatever. Then okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Good night.
Sure.